Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge. Of course, you know, on Windows 11, which has been released recently on October 5th, the default browser is Microsoft Edge, and the default search engine on Microsoft Edge is Bing. Okay, so when we open our Edge, the first thing we see is the Bing as the default search engine. Even when we try to search anything, it's going to come out with the Bing as the default search engine. You can see it's Microsoft Bing that search all our searches online. Okay, so some people may prefer the use of Google every time they have their searches, and anytime they have their default search engine should be on Google, because they are two different things. Although I prefer to use Google sometimes, and then maybe when I'm dealing with images I prefer to use Bing because of the clarity. But then in whichever case, if you want to switch and come back to Google as your default search engine, all you need to do is to come over to these three dots at the top right, click on it, you come all the way down to settings over here, and then you can come to privacy, search and services. You click on it and you can come all the way down to the nearly the last item. You just click on it, address bar and search. So you can come over here and see search engine used in the address bar. The default is Bing. Okay, this is the recommended, which is a default that it came with. So if you click on the drop down, you're going to see other search engine like YouTube. You can make it your default search engine. You can make Google as well your default search engine, or you can make Yahoo if you want, right? So assuming we want to take in Google, and we just take Google and we make it our default search engine, and we are done with this. So let's try to open up and search something and see what happens. So let's say we're searching on animals, and you can see now we have Google as our default search engine. So to use Google to search all our documents. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to enable the Google search engine in Microsoft Edge as your default search engine. If you learned anything, or if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.